In the lush, unspoiled lands of early 17th century Virginia, the Powhatan tribe lived in harmony with nature. Among them was Pocahontas, the adventurous and spirited daughter of Chief Powhatan. Pocahontas, with her love for the land and all its creatures, often explored the forests and rivers, seeking guidance from Grandmother Willow, an ancient and wise tree. Across the Atlantic, the English settlers, led by the ambitious Governor Ratcliffe, embarked on a voyage to the New World in search of gold and wealth. Among them was Captain John Smith, a brave and curious soldier. As their ship approached the shores of Virginia, the settlers prepared to build their new settlement, Jamestown. Curiosity and fate brought Pocahontas and John Smith together. Despite the initial mistrust between the Powhatan tribe and the English settlers, Pocahontas and John formed a deep connection, sharing their dreams and learning about each other's worlds. Pocahontas showed John the beauty of nature and the importance of living in harmony with it, while John shared stories of his travels and the wonders of the Old World. However, the growing friendship between Pocahontas and John was met with hostility from both sides. Governor Ratcliffe, driven by greed and prejudice, believed the Powhatan tribe was hiding gold and planned an attack on the tribe. Meanwhile, Kocoum, a brave warrior of the Powhatan tribe who was promised to Pocahontas, saw John as a threat. As tensions escalated, Pocahontas struggled to find a way to bring peace between her people and the settlers. Guided by Grandmother Willow's wisdom and her own inner strength, she realized that understanding and respect were the keys to bridging the divide. A tragic misunderstanding led to Kocoum's death, and John Smith was captured by the Powhatan tribe. Governor Ratcliffe seized the opportunity to declare war on the tribe. On the eve of John's execution, Pocahontas stood before her father and tribe, pleading for John's life and for peace. Her courage and words moved Chief Powhatan, who spared John and decided to seek a peaceful resolution. However, Governor Ratcliffe, driven by rage, led a violent assault on the Powhatan village. In a final confrontation, Pocahontas and John Smith worked together to stop the fighting. John was gravely injured while protecting Chief Powhatan. The settlers, seeing the bravery and nobility of the Powhatan people, turned against Ratcliffe, who was then arrested. As John Smith prepared to return to England for medical treatment, he and Pocahontas shared a heartfelt goodbye. Their time together had changed them both, teaching them about love, respect, and the power of understanding. Though they parted ways, their hearts remained connected, and Pocahontas continued to lead her people with wisdom and courage. Through her actions, Pocahontas helped forge a fragile peace between the settlers and the Powhatan tribe, leaving a legacy of unity and respect that would be remembered for generations. The end.